On a roll, Jen.
Number
How about
2.
try the Halfmaster now?
All right.
Well, if the battery's good, it's the same battery's been sitting in it all winter long. Okay, walk this way.
That way.
Oh, you're gonna need ass protection.
I got pants on.
Snow pants, well that's good enough.
It's good enough.
Where's the battery? Well, it's buried, but we'll see if it still holds a charge. Now this one's fuel injected, so just pump the throttle to see if it's not stuck.
Okay.
And then just crank the key.
Not stuck.
Yes! Professional! Give it some revs! Sweet! That car's got an amazing battery. Put her in drive, see if she'll move. She's driving. Oh well, it's got a flat tire. All right, set her down. You're obviously awesome at this. Your fans will love you. You can start all my cars instantly.
Farm cars like me. We do.
That's for sure.
Probably because they knew I drove one for so long. It's dry under there.
Yep, just a few bunny tracks.
Oh.
Wish my Camry would start, but it's got a wiring problem. Darn it. Oh well. Let's go back and warm up.
Yep.